Today's video is a makeup vlog. I found this on TikTok and it really caught me. I wanted to try it because it looks really nice. Yes, a butterfly liner. Let's do it. I already prepped my face, so let's proceed to primer. After primer, let's proceed to foundation. Added a second layer of foundation to not look plain and pale. Let's proceed to the brows. I use spoolie to brush my brows and hairspray. I kind of like spray the spoolie first with hairspray and brush it on my brows. After brushing it, I use eyebrow powder to fill in my brows. Okay, I am not really good into brows, so I use foundation to cover the lapses and make it somehow good. After the brows, I usually proceed to concealer. I put it on the areas like to uplift my eye and my nose, on my chin, and the upper center of my brows, and just blend it out. After blending the concealer, I proceed to setting powder. I put it on the areas where I also put my concealer. So after putting the setting powder, I set it like for a while and proceed to my contour. I usually use the eyebrow powder as my contour. I don't know, I just like feeling it. So after that, I grab some small brush to create some nose line. And after contouring my face, I proceed brushing the excess of the setting powder. Let's proceed to the main point of this makeup, which is the eyeliner. So I use the liquid liner and I first draw a simple liner and use brush to smudge it, like to blend it through the wing. and start figuring out what would be my pattern. So it depends on your imagination. I start with like patterning the wing and starting to figure out how I want it to look like, and just imagine the TikTok, the video in there, and just visualize it like how you want it to be. So I thought of putting glitters, so I use an eye gel to stick the glitters. I use a medium-sized glitter to make it more like, shining and sparkling. After the liner, I proceed to mascara. And my falsies.
Without you.
Let's make some fake freckles using eyebrow pencil. I think adding some freckles using liquid eyeliner is a bad idea, so let's fix it with our blush. Then I proceed to lipstick. I use cream shade and cover it with a nude-like shade. It's time for highlighter. So that's all for today, guys. That's all for this look, this TikTok makeup look. I hope you like it. I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope pasado tong look na to. And I hope I did it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do give this a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! Thank you for watching!